Qazi. So today we are here with Job 360 and I have Mr. Numan. So he's a participant of our training. So we are going to do some colored brain exercises. So Numan, can you put on these glasses? So we've done the colored brain exercises. Okay. So now we are looking to do the colored brain communication cards, the CBCI cards. Okay. Numan, these are your cards. Okay. These are your cards. Okay, so color brain communication cards, as you can see. So these are if you can lay out on that. So these are some cards which show you some emotions, some actions, and which we use in our trainings. So they're very helpful, right, in developing ideas, in relating how we are relating to the environment, in problem solving, in idea generation, in getting along with people, in finding out what are your feelings about a certain project. So these are really good. So let me ask Numan some questions, okay Numan, and then you can tell us about these cards and you can tell us about your feelings. So as you can see, so get them together, okay, if you can. So we've let me just show you my pack, okay. So Numan, the question for you is, okay, so the first question is, you're stuck in a situation, okay, you can't find the answer to the situation. There's a problem situation and you are looking for some answers, okay. There's some work, an office work or an assignment, which you've got from your boss or which you're supposed to do. So you want to solve that problem. So by using these cards, how can you solve that problem? So you can lay them out and then I can tell you how your brain operates or how you can solve that problem. So you can have a look and take your time, and the cards you like you can just take your time. Okay, so you can select about 5 or 7 cards because there are about, I think, 52 cards in this pack.
Yeah.
So you can select, don't select all of them, but the ones you like,
Okay.
maybe just 5 cards or 7 cards, but not more than that.
Select these 5 cards.
Okay, so you got selected some cards. So you selected this card, okay. Let us show these cards in the camera. So what is the priority? Which is number 1 and which is number 5? You can lay them out. So which is number 1, which is number 5? Number 1 should be on the top, and then so this is number 1 for you, okay. This is number 1, okay. Number 2, number 3, okay. So your problem was to solve, to generate some ideas for some problem solving. So this is basically you're getting information together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to solve this.
Just trying to solve this. So this is not complete, but you're just trying to solve this. You're trying to solve this. You can show this if you want. So you're just trying to solve this using this. Okay, fine. And this second one, what does this show?
This is some research about how to solve the problem.
Okay, so you have a problem. So you are going to the library and you are using. You are going to study about that problem.
Yes.
Okay. And you are going to find some solutions, some answers to that problem. Excellent. Okay, now the third card you selected. What is this?
This is, as you can see, that there is some
A maze. Yeah, it's a maze.
Yes, a maze.
Yeah.
So I want to find the way how to reach.
So you have a team. You want to take your team into the maze and maybe get out of there. So this is the problem.
Yes.
The problem in front of you.
Yes.
And you're the team leader and you want to take people through that maze.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Excellent. And what is this? This is the fourth card?
This is that some discussion with my team. That's know about their ideas or their suggestion how to solve or how to overcome with this problem.
Okay. So this is a meeting with the team, or it's a strategy session or a consultation session to find out answers to that team.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. And the last one, what is this?
This is about, as you can see, that it shows us time that we have some limited time, or we have some.
So you have a limited time for this problem.
Yes.
This problem needs to be solved in like
Yeah.
4 hours or in 2 days or
Yes.
maybe in a day. So you are aware of that thing.
Yes.
So you utilize this process for idea generation to
Yes.
solve your problem.
Yes.
So let us lay out the. So Noman is thinking that he needs to first of all understand the problem and gather the information,
Yes.
and then maybe research for some answers,
Yes.
and then take your team through the maze through the problem, and also have a discussion,
Discussion with
a
them.
strategy session with the people, and also he needs to be aware that I need to solve this problem in 4 hours. I don't have to take 4 months to solve this problem.
Exactly.
And he has, so it's an excellent way. So you see, these are CBCI cards, and these are excellent for such type of activity. So what are you? Did you like the CBCI cards? You think they're helpful? They're helpful.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Okay. Okay. Now let's do another scenario. Okay. Now the scenario is there's a project, right? There's a project where Noman is a project manager, right? And somebody from the senior management comes to him, and we want to see what are the feelings of Noman regarding the project. How does he feel? How does he want to execute that project? Yeah, what is his enthusiasm? Yeah, what is the plan in his mind? So all these things are there in Noman's mind. So Noman, you have your cards, okay? These are your cards. Now, there's a project. You have to arrange a seminar of Job 360, okay? And you have to tell us what are the steps you are going to follow with your team, and what are things you need to do. So take your time. You can select maybe 5-7 cards, and just tell us that what are the steps you are going to follow. So take your time, take a couple of minutes, and then we can have some answers. So you can use more cards if you want, Noman. You can use more cards if you want, but if you are happy, you can put them in number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So which is number 1?
This is number 1.
This is number 1.
Yes.
Okay. And okay, I'm just going to turn them around to my side. Okay. So what was the question?
The question is that there's a seminar and I have to make an arrangement for the seminar.
Okay, so you are arranging a seminar. You have a team. You have a small team, and you are arranging a seminar for Job 360, your company basically. And you want, so just tell us how you going to do this.
So I choose this card. So first of all, I have a time plan and I have to work accordingly.
Okay.
And then,
Excellent. Okay.
Then there's, as you know, that there's in seminar there's multi things which are
So multiple problems, multiple tasks. So there's a lot of stuff you are going to handle. So this card is showing the multiple things that you have to do a lot of things together. Okay.
And
Excellent.
there's some discussion with my seniors or my team.
Okay, so you are discussing it with
Yes,
your team.
suggestion and ask for some help, which they can. And this is the invitations of all the.
So you are coordinating with people,
Yeah.
talking to people, okay?
Yes.
So just for arranging that seminar, okay, excellent.
And at the end of the day, it's a seminar day. I hope it.
So you are welcoming everybody, you are looking forward to the event.
Yeah.
Excellent. So did you find these cards useful for?
Yeah, very useful.
So it gives us an idea, it gives an idea to all your team as well. It tells them that, how you are going to do this.
Yes.
So I think it was great. Okay, thank you very much. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So these are some tools we have, in Yasin Kazi International. These are some tools which you can use. And CBCI cards is just one of the tools, according with the colored glasses. And you can use them for problem solving, for leadership, and for team building in your company. Thank you very much. Take care and all the best.